I hit this issue to date and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you've forgotten your Ally card PIN, don't worry, recovering it is straightforward. Just follow these steps. Step 1. Visit the Ally Bank website. Go to the official Ally Bank website using your browser. This is where you'll start the PIN recovery process. Step 2. Log into your account. Enter your username and password to access your account. If you can't remember your login details, use the Forgot Username or Password option. Step 3. Navigate to the card services. Once logged in, look for the Card Services section in the main menu. This is where you can manage your card settings, including PIN recovery. Step 4. Select PIN recovery. In the Card Services section, find the option for PIN recovery. Click on it to initiate the recovery process. You may need to verify your identity through security questions or a code sent to your registered phone number. Step 5. Set your new PIN. After verification, you'll be prompted to set a new PIN. Choose something memorable but secure. Make sure to save it in a safe place to avoid future issues. Remember, if you encounter any issues during this process, customer support is just a call away. Good luck, and I hope you get your PIN sorted out quickly.